Party West Bengal.
Around 25 candidates representing various political parties and independents filed nominations papers in the East Khasi Hills district on Saturday. Massive crowd gathered outside the Deputy Commissioner's office as show of strength by various political parties continued for the fifth day of filing of nominations. Around 25 candidates filed their nominations in the DC office, East Khasi Hills. NPP candidates, including Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, took out a rally before filing their nominations. Besides Tinsong, who will be contesting from Penusla, other prominent candidates who filed nominations are Samlin Malngyang for Soyong, Tabor Pathau for Maulai. VPP President Ardent Miller Basayomoit and his party candidates filed nominations. TMC North Shillong candidate Eljiva Rinja also filed her nomination. As various political parties reached DC office with their candidates filing nominations, the roads around DC office were crowded and it affected the smooth flow of traffic.